This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hey, my name's Sean Bradley. My family got into racing a long time ago. My little brother used to race, and then me and my dad got into it. We own a car down there, this one. We race out at Grundy County Speedway. You know, this is a late model. This is the highest class you can race out at Grundy County Speedway. You know, this isn't the one I drive. This is one that we drive for, a friend of ours drives this for us that we own. But, you know, it has, it's about 400 horsepower, 500 horsepower. It goes around the track very, very fast. But, you know, it.
What are we looking at in here right now?
Well, this right here is your box for your ignition, and you got your switches in there to turn the car on and off, and you got right there is your steering wheel, where I can go put it on for you if you'd like. Just kind of take her and goes on just like that.
Okay.
And the driver gets in there and he can wheel this thing.
And then so what are some of the speeds that you get up to?
I think this one is probably about hey Pop. I don't know. Hey, what kind of times Bub run that car? How fast he go on that thing? About 80?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this car will go about 80 mile an hour in the straightaways. You know, then it's meant to go around the corners. Go left. This is my first year.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes. Yep, that's my car over there.
Let's go walk over there.
Okay.
I noticed the camber on the front wheels.
Yeah, that is so you can go around the corners. It's made to go left. We're driving it down here tonight. It's very hard to turn it right. It doesn't like turn right very well, but.
And what are these cars fabricated from?
Well, a lot of them are in-house. A lot of them are from. This one is actually from Bill's Speed Shop.
Okay.
He's a guy who builds a lot of cars. This one, that one. I think a lot of these are from Bill's Speed Shop, but I know that one is. I'm not quite sure about that one, but yeah, Bill's Speed Shop builds some nice race cars.
And what's the most exciting part of the race for you? Is it the start, the competition?
It's adrenaline rush, man. It's very cool to just get in and drive. And this one, actually, if you look at the name here, my name's Sean Bradley. My brother Jake passed away last year, so we're doing this for him this year in this car. So
there you go. Keep that name fresh, the memories.
Yep. Yeah, me and my dad we're having fun and keep my brother's memory alive.
And what would you say for future racers that want to get into it?
I tell you what, it's a good time. It's kind of an expensive hobby, but it's something that it's very fun and something you get young kids into and keeps them out of trouble. Thanks for watching.
Please enjoy the next video.